Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So you can use a toothbrush to clean your earbuds. I just have this cleaning tools, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use these two brushes. So firstly, let me remove ear tips, because we need to clean the grill. And just cleaning it, and then attach your ear tips back. And let's move with the second one, and also we need to attach second ear tip. Next, if you have isopropyl alcohol, you should apply it to the charging contacts. It does not conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. So I'm going to use it. And now let's clean the contacts, the charging contacts. We can also use both of these brushes to the contacts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.